Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and today we're going to be doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a styling service, and they send you 5 pieces a year frequency. You can do it every month, every other month. I do mine whenever I feel like it, just because I don't have a big disposable income, so I try to do it when I can if I have the extra money. Everyone who signs up for Stitch Fix gets a referral link. I'll leave mine in the description down below. If you sign up using my link, you'll get $25 off your first Stitch Fix, and I will also get $25 to go towards my next one. So if you're interested, feel free to check that out. It'll be linked down below. So let's get to unboxing. So in every box you get a pre-paid for and pre-labeled shipping envelope to send back anything that you're not keeping or stuff that doesn't fit. You also get a little card with all the names of the products and the pricing. You get a little card from your stylist, and it has different outfit ideas in it. And then you also get the package with all the clothing. So I'm going to read the note from my stylist first. And I will say that it took a little bit to get here. So I did peek online to see what I was getting. So nothing's really a surprise to me, but I'm still excited to see it in person and everything. Okay, so I'm reading my note, and it says, "Hi Sarah, happy Fix Day and welcome to your second fix. I'm excited to be styling you today and to get to know you and your personal style better." Okay, so from the look of it, it seems like I got a new stylist. I really liked the one I had last time, so we'll see how this one does. I saw that you were into 70s fashion, so I took a look at your inspiration boards you linked in your profile to get a feel for your style, and was able to find some unique pieces for you to add to your closet. First up is the French gray dress. It was a similar color to the one you had on your board, and is versatile to dress up or down. I also sent you the Colette top to layer under the pink clover cardigan. Thanks for linking your Pinterest board to your profile for us. If you have time to check out the Stitch Fix Pinterest website, and pin some styles you love based on your current inventory. This will really help me fine tune your next fix based on your items I know that you love. XO Mackenzie. Okay, so this is the first thing in here. This is the Pink Clover Maples Open Kimono in navy, and it's a size small. So far I love the colors of it, and I love this floral design. I like bigger floral designs rather than smaller florals. It's nice and soft from other Stitch Fix. Oh, and it's also a Stitch Fix exclusive. That's exciting. From what I've seen in other people's Stitch Fix videos, Pink Clover is really nice. And also it feels nice and soft. It's really pretty. It's a little bit see-through. I would say the sleeves are about they're not a full sleeve, maybe half. But it's really pretty. I love the design. I love these colors. It's gonna be perfect for layering. So this is the next thing in the box. It's from Colette. It's the Romy Cold Shoulder Knit Top in olive, and it's a size small. I love the color. I love this olive green color. And so the shoulders, the sleeves are open like this. I'm not crazy about open shoulder tops. If I want something that has a cut in the shoulder, or I want my shoulders to be showing, I normally just do strapless. So I'm not sure how I feel about this, but I'll have to see when I try it on. And this is also nice and soft too. So this is the next thing. This is from Kaylee. It's the Rika Knit Crop Jumpsuit. It's in navy and in a size medium. So in my last box I got a jumpsuit, and I think it was from the same brand. And so it's this really nice, pretty floral pattern. I love this. It's I love the color. I love the flowers. So it's got little spaghetti straps. And then the back is just plain. And then it's got a little tie around for the waist. This is nice and soft too. I think everything is going to be nice and soft. Next we have I think this is the dress. This is also a Stitch Fix exclusive. This is the French Graze Zoe Crochet Detailed Brush Maxi Knit Dress. The shade name is blue and it's in the size medium. So this is really nice and soft too. So it's got a halter neck and I actually don't own anything like this. So I'm excited to see what it feels like on. Again, I love the floral print. I love these colors. Perfect for spring. And then in the back it's got like a little keyhole cut out. I think that's what those are called. And then it has a little bit of lace detailing around where the arms would go. I'm really excited to try this on. Okay, and this is the last thing in the box. I think it's another jumpsuit. Okay, yeah, so it's from the same brand as the other jumpsuit from Kaylee, I think it's called. Rochelle Knit Jumpsuit Dark Green in the size medium. It's really pretty green color. It's got little flowers all over it. I'm not crazy about this kind of floral pattern, but I'll have to see what it looks like on. Same thing as the other one. It's got spaghetti straps. It's got a tie around the waist. I love the color. I'm just not sure about the floral pattern. Okay, so let's try everything on. Okay, so I switched over to filming on my phone. Sorry if my room is a mess. So this is the shirt. It feels a little bit baggy, like I feel like it could be a little bit smaller. And then I'm not crazy about the open shoulder. When I was putting it on, one of my arms actually went through the hole. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this. Like, I love the color and everything. The material's really nice. I'm not crazy about it. Okay, so I just threw the kimono on over the shirt and I love it. It's so pretty. It's perfect for spring and summer. It's really lightweight. The sleeves are actually longer than I thought they were gonna be, which is nice. Love the pattern, the colors, everything. Okay, so I'm standing back so you can get a better view, but this is the cropped jumpsuit. I love the color. I love the pattern. I love the length of it. I just feel like it's a little bit big. Like, I tied the tie. It's built in. It's not one that you can like adjust yourself. And it's pretty loose, I would say. I feel like I could probably go to a size small for this. But other than that, I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, so here's the dress. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the color and the pattern. I feel like it's just a tiny bit too long. And like around here, it's a little bit big. But I'm not sure if I could go a size smaller in this. But it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so here is the last jumpsuit. I actually like it a lot better on than I did just seeing it in, like, when I pulled it out of the box. Same thing as the other one. It's a little too big for me. It's very loose around my waist and the hem is very long. I love the color. I'm still not crazy about the pattern, but I do like it better on. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over the prices of everything. So the cropped jumpsuit is $58. The maxi dress is $58. The cold shoulder top is $34. The kimono is $38. And the jumpsuit, the other jumpsuit, is $58. So the total comes out to $246. If I were to buy everything, I would get a 25% discount. So it will be $184.50. And then with every Stitch Fix you order, when you first order it, you pay a $20 styling fee. So that goes towards your purchase as well. So if I were to buy everything, my total would come out to $164.50. So I'm definitely not going to keep everything. I did not like the top, so I'm definitely sending that back. I liked the green jumpsuit, but I wasn't totally like crazy in love with it, so that's probably going to go back too. I'm definitely keeping the kimono and the cropped jumpsuit. I'll just have to get a smaller size in that jumpsuit, so I'll exchange it. And then I really like the dress. I just have to decide if I want to exchange it for a smaller size or keep the size I have now. Okay, so that is the video. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to try Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral link down below so you can get $25 off your first box, and I'll get $25 off my next box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure that you're subscribed. Feel free to leave comments down below what you thought about any of the items I got, or if there's anything else you want to see from me, and I will see you all in my next video.